guys, welcome back to another review. No Andy, I've abandoned him because I've been at work. I've just got in and I've been to Subway and picked up myself a meatball footlong. So, like so, big footlong. It's cut in half. So, before I get cracking on this, staff, very friendly, quite chatty. They were busy, so on that note, I'm going to give them an 8 because the woman that served me was really nice, really friendly, asked me what I wanted, everything else. So yeah, 8 for the staff. This cost £6.59 for a footlong. I had it toasted as well. On here, there is, on this, there is obviously meatballs, because that's what I asked for. So I've got meatballs, cheese, onions, lettuce, and I asked for some mayo on it as well. It's toasted, so let me see if I can pick half this up without it all falling apart. Bit of lettuce. Lettuce is fresh. So on there is onions, meatballs, everything. So lettuce is nice and fresh. Let's try the onion. I personally have not been to Subway for quite a while because I'll tell you why near the end. But this is their meatball. So you got meatballs, lettuce, onion. I could have had everything on this, but I decided just to get the simple stuff, which was the lettuce, the onion, the mayo and the meatball. Cheese on there as well, which is melted. And I got it toasted on the plain white roll, on the plain white bread. So yeah. No Andy, and Cameron's out, so without further ado, bite first, bite hard, because no one else is here to say it, but here we go. Them meatballs are so nice, cooked perfectly, beautiful. That lettuce and that onion, so fresh. The bread, really fresh bread, proper fresh, fluffy as anything. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to eat all this because I only had a little dinner today, so. But the onion complements the meatballs and the lettuce. Oh, it's gorgeous, guys, absolutely gorgeous. Red meatball, right there, got it everywhere, can't take me nowhere. Andy will be with me on the next one. But this, absolutely beautiful. Asked me if I wanted either grated cheese or just normal cheese, so I just went for the normal cut cheese. Yeah, that's actually really nice. Now, as I've said, I have been there before, but it's not been for a long time. I've not been there for a long time. Why? Because I feel that £6.59 is a little bit expensive for what you get. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but I think £6.59 for this, I don't think is worth the money. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, but I don't think the £6.59 is worth it. Didn't see a food hygiene rating either. I looked outside in the window, didn't see one. Maybe it is there and I just didn't see it. But yeah, £6.59, I don't think this is worth £6.59. I'd have probably paid £5 tops for this, if anything. But they say you get what you pay for, and I don't think this is what I paid for. It's just, for me, too little for too much. That being said though, the staff, again, like I said, they got an 8. Brilliant. The food itself, 8 again. For me anyway. Yeah, because it is nice. It is really nice. It is tasty. The bag is quite wet because when I was walking home from the shop, it was raining, so the bag got a bit wet, so that's going to be going in the bin quite soon as well. But yeah guys, that is it. The Subway meatball sandwich with the onions, the cheese, the lettuce and the bread, everything on there. I'm not gonna say is this the best one I've tasted, because I've never tasted like the meatball. I've always had something else with me. I can't remember what it is now. I think it's the ham or something like that I had last time. But this is the reason I won't go to Subway, because it's too expensive. And if you're doing Subway every day, it can break your bank a little bit. But anyway guys, yeah, like I said, staff 8, food 8. Apart from that, I'm going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for all the subscribers. Andy's just notified me we've got 166 now. Thank you very much indeed. Much appreciated. I will see you on the next one. Andy will be with me. Take care. Bye for now.